Good morning. Today we talk of Ørsted's experiment. Hans Christian Ørsted of Denmark in 1836 conducted this experiment and is known after his name as Ørsted's experiment. Now, what was the experimental setup? A wire spread in north-south direction. North-south direction. A wire was spread in north-south direction. And a magnetic compass needle was placed below it as shown. A magnetic compass needle was placed below it. This is the north pole of magnetic needle and this is the south pole of magnetic needle. And both wire and compass needle were parallel to each other. After this, he passed an electric current. An electric current was passed through the wire. After making this arrangement, he passed electric current through the wire from north to south direction first. From north to south direction first. And then from south to north direction. And then from south to north direction. He recorded some observations and arrived at certain conclusions. So here I am not going to tell you about the conclusions he arrived at, but we will conduct the experiment ourselves and then draw some conclusions in order to foster a scientific temper among ourselves. We will do the experiment, we will record some observations, and then we will arrive at some conclusion. Now, this is a scientific method to deal with problems. So, what is scientific method? It is an organized attempt to acquire knowledge. It involves 4 steps. First step is observations. Second step is logical reasoning. Third step is experimentation. And fourth step is theoretical predictions. So we will follow these steps. Whenever we do experiment, we follow all these steps because it is a scientific method. And then we will finally look into the conclusions drawn. So let us do the experiment. Let us do the experiment ourselves. This is a conducting wire which is spread from north to south direction. This is compass needle placed under this wire. The compass needle sets itself parallel to the wire. The compass needle sets itself parallel to the wire. That is, whenever a magnet is suspended freely in space, it always sets itself in north-south direction. Now, 3 cases arise. First case, when no current passes through the conducting wire. So this is a situation. You can see no current is being passed through conducting wire. The compass needle sets itself parallel to the wire in north-south direction. Why it is so? Because there is no other magnetic field in the region. Compass needle sets itself into magnetic meridian. That is, north pole of the compass needle points towards north and south pole points towards south. And second case, we pass current from north to south direction. So look at, this is positive terminal of battery, this is negative terminal of battery, and we pass current now from north to south direction. See, the magnetic needle, north pole of magnetic compass needle deflects towards east and sets itself in northeast direction. See once again, I pass electric current from north to south direction. The north pole of compass needle sets itself in northeast direction. See, okay. It means, what does it mean? It means that another magnetic field has come into the region which interacts with the magnetic field of compass needle and deflects it in its north pole towards northeast and south pole towards southwest. Now I change the direction of current flow. Now see what happens. Now I am passing current from south to north direction. Now see, the direction of deflection is changed. It has become opposite. Now north pole of the compass needle deflects towards west and the north pole points towards northwest direction and south pole points towards southeast direction. See once again. What does it mean? It means again there is another magnetic field has come into the region due to which the compass needle deflects itself towards west. Then the direction of deflection is opposite. It means the direction of magnetic field which has been produced earlier also has changed. It has become opposite. Now what is the final conclusion? The final conclusion you draw from the observation. We have observed some certain observations that when no current passes through the magnetic compass needle, the compass needle sets itself parallel to the conducting wire in north-south direction. And when current is passed from north to south direction, the compass needle, north pole of compass needle deflects towards east and sets itself in northeast direction. And when current is passed from south to north direction, then the north pole of compass needle deflects towards west and its north pole of compass needle sets itself, points towards northwest direction. What does it mean? You can conclude yourself. However, now we arrive at conclusion that whenever a current is passed through a conductor, a magnetic field is developed around it. Okay, well done, dear friends. So we are on the path of inculcating scientific temper. I hope you would like it. Thank you so much.